Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my lantern with a kit I purchased from shopdeeslouisville.com. Okay, I'm going to start with my pick. I am going to fluff it out. I'm going to cut that pesky tag off. This is a very quick project to decorate anything. You could actually just make this up and put it on a mantle or put it in a corner of the kitchen. It really is up to you. I'm just going to fluff it out because it did come in a plastic bag. So you do have to show it some love and get it back to life. I'm basically just bringing the berries out and up, and the same thing with the leaves. And this is where I was trying to decide if I wanted it to go down or up. And I did kind of flip it around, and I am going to have that stem go down. But I just keep playing with it until I like the way it looks. I do hold it up next to the lantern to get a visual. Next, I'm going to work on my bow. You want to start with the tail up. You want to kind of give it a tail, crimp it in the middle, and then you're going to give it a loop. This loop ended up being around 5 inches once it's looped on top of itself. Now I'm going to do a similar loop. I probably should have done 3 of these, but I stopped with 2. And now I'm going to add the extra accent ribbon that came with the kit, and I'm just going to lay it on top of my bow. Once I have it placed in my hand, I'm going to take the wire, wrap it around, and I'm going to bring it to the back, and I'm going to tie it off. I just want to make sure it's secure. So once I have this tied off, and I am just doing just a regular tie, that's it, I'm going to place it onto the pick, and I'm also going to tie it off on the pick as well. There is no need to fuss with this bow until you get it all the way onto the lantern. I have a really bad habit of doing this. So here now I'm just tying it off on the pick. So once I have that tied, now I'm going to loop it around the top part of my lantern and tie it off on the back of the lantern. Now I'm going to tie it off on my lantern. Now I'm going to clip off the extra wire. I am going to save those. They do come in handy for smaller projects. And now I'm going to trim up my ribbon tails. For the orange ribbon, I am just going to do a slant. I am going to curl up that one that's rather long just to give it some extra texture. But for the wider ribbon, I am going to dovetail those. So now I'm just fluffing out my bow, making sure I have everything exactly the way I want it. Now I'm going to clean up my workstation. Folks, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.